So, call now to purchase this cookware set from the Prager Shopping Network for just 4 easy payments of $99.99.
That's right, Barbara. And don't forget it comes backed by a limited 5-year warranty and money-back satisfaction guarantee.
Oh, Paul. Some callers are saying they don't know what those are.
Really? Well, it's a good thing we're throwing in another offer. 1 free episode of...
Consumer protections, like guarantees and warranties, are benefits sellers offer when buyers purchase a product or a service.
Hi there.
These protections can play a major role in a consumer investing money in a purchase.
Just like our exclusive offer here for only... Sorry. Continue.
A guarantee is a major type of consumer protection that a seller offers at no cost to the buyer. It promises to remedy any issue that may arise with their purchase. Nearly all products and services come with some sort of guarantee, but most expire after a certain amount of time. For example, free trial guarantees allow a buyer to try out a service or product at no cost for a specified time. Most free trials require a credit card when you sign up and will charge you automatically when your trial ends. So don't forget to cancel the service or return the product if you're not satisfied. Best price guarantees allow customers to find and prove if there's a better deal for the same product from a different seller and only pay that price. This guarantee helps buyers know that they're getting the best offer available for the product. Money-back guarantees give buyers a full refund if they're unsatisfied with the product.
Thanks! This is the most common guarantee and almost a standard in retail.
So call now to order...
Paul, please.
Sorry.
Lifetime guarantees are usually reserved for higher-priced products and services. However, lifetime doesn't always mean what you think, so knowing how the seller defines the term is important. These guarantees are intended to demonstrate a seller's confidence in the item to last due to the perceived higher quality.
Just like our one-of-a-kind exclusive deal here, so call now and we'll include...
Paul, they still need to talk about the warranties.
Right.
A warranty is another major type of consumer protection. This is a promise from a seller that a product will work as expected, and if not, the seller will fix or replace it. A limited warranty is only good for a limited time and usually only covers defective parts or manufacturing errors, but doesn't cover labor.
What?
This means that you'll still have to pay someone to fix the item.
Come on.
But wait, we also offer extended warranties for a low cost.
These provide coverage over and above the manufacturer's warranty.
Extended warranties act as an insurance policy for a product, lasting for a specific amount of time and having more flexible terms and conditions that aren't limited to defects. When considering whether to buy the extended warranty, first consider how you will use the product. Secondly, consider the cost to replace the product versus the extended warranty price. It might just be worth purchasing a new one if it breaks once the limited warranty period is over. Finally, consider how long you'll need the item. If you need it to last, the extended warranty might give you peace of mind knowing your investment is protected.
But a guarantee or warranty for a product may not always be necessary.
But Barbara, that can't be true. Can it?
Well, just because a company offers these protections doesn't automatically mean it's a good product, especially if the company has a history of not honoring its promises. Make sure to consider a purchase and the seller thoroughly.
You got it.
Now that you know about some consumer protections, let's take a look at some steps to becoming a savvy consumer. First, read the terms and conditions of any guarantee or warranty. This legal document clarifies the condition of use and the varying procedures when certain problems arise. It also includes important disclaimers that can change who is responsible for covering any repairs. Second, check the reviews online for other customers' experience with the product or company. Weigh the costs and benefits of any purchase, with or without consumer protections. Third, hold on to your receipts. And don't be afraid to contact the company directly if you have issues with your purchase. Most companies have their customer service info publicly available. If a company isn't honoring its guarantee or warranty, consider contacting organizations focusing on consumer protection, such as the Better Business Bureau. No one intentionally buys a defective product or pays someone to do a poor service, but we all know it can happen. Knowing the protections you have as a consumer will prepare you for when something doesn't quite live up to expectations.
Looks like we've sold out of the PragerU cooking set.
But we have a new item. The Uncle Sam Dining Set, available only on PSN.
That's right, patriotic and colorful, for only 4 easy payments of $99.99. Satisfaction guaranteed.
But wait, there's more.
Watch more at PragerUkids.com. And parents, don't forget to subscribe.